Hi everyone, welcome back. Now in today's video I need some tiles and I've got just a person in mind who may have some. So let's go and give him a visit. Well, I'm here, had about a 50-minute drive. Now who do you think is on the other side of that door? So we give it a knock and go and see. Okay. Are you decent?
Come in, come in.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's Ryan. Hello mate, how are you?
Come on in.
Well, oh, trapdoor.
Oh yeah, that was a bit of a, yeah, don't come in
Don't
then.
literally walk straight in.
Got a present for you, mate.
Oh, it's brilliant.
Yeah.
Is that me belated Christmas present?
It is indeed. They were, they might look like they've been thrown in, but of course they haven't.
Delicately placed at an angle.
Delicately placed in. And there's just so many of them that it was quite hard to sort of.
Well, it's a handy little cubby hole there, isn't it?
Yeah, it's quite good. Bit dangerous, but.
Okay, yeah, we'll sort that out. Right, I've got my trailer, so right next to it, and we load up.
Let's do it.
Brilliant. Mate, you're going to pass them out?
Yeah.
Look how beautiful they are. Fantastic. Do these justice.
Good man.
See, these channels are all about recycling.
Recycling and helping one another.
Yeah, helping one another, helping the community.
There you go.
Brilliant.
No, they're going to a good cause.
They're going to a good home.
I mean, look at the colour. Beautiful.
Lovely. So what kind of age are we thinking?
As old as the house, I reckon.
Yeah. What do you
at least at the latest 1800s.
1800s, yes, what I was going to say.
So I'd say maybe a couple of 100 years old.
Yeah. Well, they've lasted that long.
Yeah.
I think they'll last another few years.
Definitely.
Nice and clean. Look, nothing to scrape off the back. Ryan, you are my saviour.
And if there is something to scrape, it's only dirt anyway.
Yeah, come on. What size was the room roughly, Ryan? Where did it come out of?
Couldn't tell you.
10 square metres? No, more than that.
Maybe 12,
12,
13.
yeah. I'm after about 18 square metres.
Oh, you'll be fine. Because there's from multiple rooms.
Yeah, oh right, oh real.
Right, my mate Dave, can't even speak.
You're exhausted, mate.
My mate Dave's going to replace me now, yeah.
Shift change, we've got a relay going on.
Going for a little shift change.
Okay, well you have got the business end, I've got the easy end and I.
Good though.
Yeah, I mean these are fantastic, these briquettes.
They're good, aren't they?
Yeah, they're brilliant.
I'm just so glad they're going to be put to good use.
Oh, they will, mate. They will, mate. Don't forget to follow, then you can watch me, can't you?
I do follow.
I know your dad does.
He loves the videos, by the way. Shout out to you, Dad.
Yeah, big shout out to Dad.
In exchange for these, can you give us an autograph for it?
Definitely, no problem. I'll sign one of the back of the Tomettes or something, give it to your dad.
No, it's got to be a picture of you, Sean.
I'll get away.
Lovely. gloves on and I'll go down there and pass them to him. I'll probably keep maybe just 5 or 6 back, and that's it. Just in case.
Mate, you keep what you like.
So that's it.
Okay, I am fully loaded. Just going to say goodbye and thank you to Ryan. I'll see you back home. Brilliant. What a helpful lad he is. So mate, I'm all done. Thanks once again. Quick handshake and I'll let you get on with your business.
Great to see you, Sean. Best of luck with the YouTube.
Yeah.
It's been great having you. What do you think of the project?
Oh, it's brilliant. You've done so much, mate. Brian gave me a quick tour around.
Yeah.
And wow, it's done
I've had plenty of help.
Well, we all need help occasionally, so
that's true.
Keep going, mate.
Enjoy the tiles. I look forward to see what you do with them on your channel.
Will do, mate. See you later, mate. Keep in touch.
Drive safe.
Will do. Bye.
Right, happy days.
Well, let's take a look, see what we got. Well, I'm certainly happy with this load. These did surprise me. I didn't know he had these. They're kind of brick shaped, but as thick as one of these tiles. Now that could really make for an interesting pattern on the floor. I'm going to go and get one that I've already got and used inside. I've got these ones from Billy. I'll just go and get one to see how they compare with size. I think they're a little bit bigger. Let's go and compare. Now I didn't think they would be the same size. As you can see, there is a difference in the size, but that doesn't matter. You know, I've mentioned it before, I've been to many period properties in France and in England, and they used different sizes, you know, and made it a feature. So what I've got to do now is come up with a design where I can utilise what I've got. I haven't got quite enough to finish the whole area in one particular size, so I'm going to have to get creative, lay it out and work out my pattern. Should be interesting. So now I'm back, I'm going to have a quick count up. So that's 300 square tomettes. Now let's work out the bricks. About 130 of those. It's certainly going to help me out immensely, you know, and it really will look beautiful. Don't forget these are 200 plus years old as well. I'll just get some water on these to see how they come up. I've got one side darker than the other. Yeah, that's just mud on the back, that's not a problem. Let's try this brick. just start seeing the colour through there. That's brilliant. So next I need to determine how much I need for a square metre. 1, 2, 3, 6 that way, and it will be 6 that way, so 36 per square metre. So a quick guesstimate, I think I've got about 8 square metres in the tomettes. Now for the bricks. So that's a metre to this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, say 4.5. We round it up to 5. So 40 of these makes roughly a square metre. So at a quick guesstimation, I've got about 10 square metres there, give or take a few. Let's go inside and measure up in there. Now where you've got odd shapes, I find the best way to calculate your square meterage is divide it up into sections and then add them all together at the end. So I've just measured this one, now going to measure the next equal square or rectangle, and then we'll get a total at the end. So I've just done a quick calculation. Inside the surface area is roughly about 16 square metres. I've probably got anything from 10 to 12 on here. So I'm kind of looking for about 4 square metres. Now I'm hoping over in that stack over there, the original stack that I got from Billy Peverick, but I should have at least 4 square metres there. So touch wood, I think I've pretty much got enough to start on the floor, but I've got to get creative. They're all different shapes and sizes. I do have some other edging tiles in here, so they can be put into the equation. Let's just say that that's further back that way. It's a little bit uneven there. Good, something like this. Just want to see how it kind of finishes. They were packed tight and they were spaced out a little bit. That could work that way. Now, I haven't got lots of these, but in a few well placed locations they could really look nice. Something like that, you know, that's just the first kind of try really. Yeah, it was really nice to catch up with Ryan, not seen him for quite some time. Yep, he really did help me out with these tiles. So a big thank you to Ryan. Don't forget to check out Ryan's channel, Life of Ryan. Well, that is it for this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully I'll have cracked this conundrum. Bye for now.